So many bootables. Hi, my name is Courtney. I'm the Director of Brand Marketing here at Haven's Kitchen, and today we're going to be walking through 5 vegan bootables. The first one we'll go through today is the Spring Roll Bowl. Next up is the All Green Bootable, our Fall Bootable, our Mediterranean Bootable, and our Herbed Rice Bootable. Before we get into our recipes, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our videos. Every single one of our recipes today feature some of our best sauces here at Haven's Kitchen. You can pick them up at havenskitchen.com or check out our store locator to find them in a store near you. And don't forget, because our sauces are all fresh, they will be found in the refrigerated section. Our first recipe is the Spring Roll Bowl. You can have it at any season of the year. This spring bowl is literally just a deconstructed spring roll. This recipe does have shrimp, but you can easily swap that out for our air fryer tofu. Both recipes are linked below. Next up is the All Green Bootable. This recipe features one of the newest members of our sauce family, edamame green goddess, and features roasted broccoli, pepitas, and quinoa. This recipe can be easily made vegan by simply removing the chicken. Want to make the recipe? Find it in the link below. Next up is our Fall Bootable. This Fall Bootable features ingredients like farro, roasted butternut squash, and dried cranberries. These ingredients make up the bulk of this recipe, making it super hearty and perfect for the fall time, which is why we call it the Fall Bowl. You can make this dish vegan by simply skipping the goat cheese or swapping it out for your favorite cheese like dairy-free feta. This recipe is also linked below. Next up is our Mediterranean Bootable. The Mediterranean Bootable features some of my favorite ingredients like couscous, pistachios, and roasted cauliflower. And of course, our golden turmeric tahini, which is the perfect combination of delicious Mediterranean flavors. If halloumi's not your jam, you can simply skip it, or you can swap it out for your favorite vegan cheese. And lastly, our Herbed Rice Bootable with toasted almonds, herby rice, and you can't forget our red pepper romesco sauce. Perfect recipe for any time of year. Totally swap out the chicken for a roasted cauliflower or roasted broccoli because our romesco goes beautifully with starchy vegetables. If you're wondering where to find this recipe, you can find it linked below. All of our recipes are made with our Haven's Kitchen sauces. And remember, you're going to find them in the refrigerated section because every single one of them is made with real food, spices, and ingredients, and absolutely no preservatives. So you can find them on havenskitchen.com or check out our store locator to find them in a store near you. Thank you again so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below, tell me what you think of these amazing recipes, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to cook happy.